Next slide. So we're very happy to say that we are the first unique platform in India in social media digital ecosystem, which helps harness talents to mitigate solution desired level impact via learning, networking, collaborating, and of course growing platform and being a differentiator across the country. So you could able to connect a lot of people in different platforms, different kinds of nature of business, and try to understand and connect with them on a regular basis. Next slide, Ravi. It's a very huge thing. I'm not going to read the entire story, but just to give a little brief about what this platform aims at. Actually, we want to bring upon like-minded, good people who could be really useful for this entire forum. Okay, so it's basically a self-designed platform, and a lot of experts are actually sharing this. We are trying to give a lot of exposure to startup and the business ecosystem also. So you could able to connect with n number of people, in fact infinite number of people who would actually be helping you. I mean, you must have seen in the lot of groups also, we are trying to put maximum information on that. I know it's getting a little bit more on that, but our vision says that same thing, because we need to actually bring in a lot of industry people so that we learn on an every occasion, in every presentation we learn something new on it. Yeah, so that's our in fact future creation. Next one. So our vision basically stands that we make everybody learn, exactly share their knowledge also, whatever they have from different segment, different industry, different kinds of businesses they are into. Of course, sharing is going to be a very key part. Network, which I'm trying to always tell in our sessions, that it's always a building network. Today also we tried that through social media platform. We try to build a lot of people. We support, as Ravi, Ritesh, all these people, we are there here. We are there to support you in terms of every time you want anything from our side, we are there. And of course, to scale up and grow your business. So that's our vision. Basically, all of us, all the founder directors, we are trying to ensure that everybody learns, build a beautiful network, support and collaborate, and of course, and then grow. That's our vision. Yeah. Next one. And basically, our mission is something which is very huge. We want to build this community to a 10 million collection. So we're going to really have a party time when we are going to actually reach. And I think I'm very happy to say that we have connected most of the people from different segment. Not only we are trying to aim at only one industry like finance or insurance, we're trying to get people from manufacturing. We're trying to get people from different segments of people. Yeah, that's our mission. Yeah, next one. So I think there's a strong team behind that. Okay, my name is Anand Rao, so you could see one of my photograph there. Ritesh, again a dynamic personality from Pune. Deepak Gurwara, who's actually the basic founder member who actually had this idea. He time and again he's always been instrumental in giving a lot of ideas. Okay, Ravi is always tech savvy guy, a wonderful guy to work with for the digital as well as the PPT presentations and everything is taken care. Amitabh again is a huge guy from finance industry, a very immense knowledgeable guy, right? So that's the entire team, our team, a very solid team to support for all the entrepreneurs across. Next one. Yeah. Now to talk about types of membership, I think I will hand over this to Amitabh. Amitabh will actually give you a little light on what kind of membership are available, how could you use the services, and I would always be happy, and we would always be happy to really uh, be answering all the questions, whatever queries there is in the mind. Yeah, Amitabh, over to you for this membership thing. Thank you, Amitabh.
Hello.
Yeah, Amitabh.
Good evening, everybody. Thanks a lot, Anandji. In type of membership, we have three membership. One is Silver Elite member, one is Gold Elite member, other is Diamond Elite member. So there are three classification we broadly have done for the membership portal, and we'll have an elaborate discussion on this three membership criteria. Ravi, next slide, please. We have a silver elite member criteria, which is like a paid membership for 8 months. The costing will be 8,000 rupees. There are inbuilt features for that, like we have WhatsApp group, we have a free webinar launch for them. We have, various other instruments like Instagram, YouTube, and also Facebook Live going for them. So we are broadly classified as a silver paid member. and all kind of social media membership of our platform will be there with them. We'll engage with the entrepreneurs in a larger ecosystem, and we will have separate virtual networking session with them for the Silver Elite members. Ravi, next slide, please. See, in a Silver Elite member, we will have a twice a month ads running with the webinar. Suppose you are having a webinar, so the presenter will be somebody who is having an Elite membership. We will give it to that, and it will have a slot for 5 to 10 minutes for demonstrating the product demonstration and also the feature of the product. So they can, showcase their own line of products or kind of features to the webinar slots for Silver Elite members. It will be twice a month. Next slide, please, Ravi. We'll also have a extra services which is of 1,500 rupees for helping to give a hour slot webinar presentation from our expert team. We will guiding the person, coaching and mentoring the person to have a super facility or high impact presentation on webinar, and that will be costing extra charges of rupees 1,500 one time. Next slide, please. We are now scaling the membership to gold membership, where we'll be charging for 12,000 rupees for 12 month duration. It will be a gold elite member. All the benefits are almost same, but only the duration of the benefits will be higher, because in silver we have an 8-month plan, but when we go to gold, we will have a 12-month window for the person to get benefited. It will be impacted by a lot of other activities coming in the group, and the person will be having lot many opportunities to showcase his product, his feature, his industry, and get a virtual gateway to various platform owners, ecosystem, and also the entrepreneurs. Because we are scaling day by day. Now we are 500 member community. So in 1 year down the line, we're expecting at least 1 lakh members for us. So we will be, taking the person to a zenith and also helping him to grow his membership by showcasing his products, features, and demonstration. And we will be guiding the person also in the gold membership team. Ravi, next slide, please. The same facility with there with elite member also. We will be having a seminar facility, webinar coaching facility, and twice a month a webinar slot for 5 to 10 minutes for showcasing their product. Can we go for the diamond membership card, please, Ravi? See, diamond membership card is a very unique proposition we are going to having, that we will be giving 4 months free of cost slot for speakers, trainers, and a business coach to guide the person, and having a slot of his own in the platform, where for 4 months he can absolutely design our platform for his product demonstration and also for showcasing his talent. So that is the diamond membership, exclusive membership card we are going to have offered to the patron, and they will be having a lot of other benefits also. So we have 3 slots: silver, gold, elite. Right now the program duration is maximum 12 months. Obviously diamond will have a 12-month window also with them, but only benefit is that 4 months we will giving him slots for webinars totally free of cost. So there are 3 platforms we are targeting right now, initial level. I will say this is the second level of growth for our community. When we started 2 months back, we are building the base. Now we are around 18 to 19 industry segments. So each segment will be showcasing in due course of time, and we will also have panel discussion, conferences, online courses, online trainings, seminars, paid content coming up. So there is a lot of excitement coming up in future course of action. And this 3 membership drive is now live with everybody. We are, connecting with people in one-to-one basis, and anybody who's interested, please feel to call any of us, all of these founder members, to, take it forward. And I hope that this will be a revolution in our own way of operations, and we will be going very strong on content delivery, in the graphics, and also in the execution of ideas. Thanks a lot for this.
Amitabh, there is an affiliated also that you also explain, please.
Yeah, affiliate program is there with us. Suppose somebody is actually bringing members to us. Members means suppose somebody is bringing 3 members to us. So whatever the cost benefits the buyer is purchasing, so 25% of the revenue will be credited to the person who is bringing the members to us. So that is the affiliate program. It's like a person who is joining us and is bringing 3 members to us. So we will be reimbursing 25% of the fees cost to the person. And that benefit can be 30%. If it is 30% benefits can be given to the person who brings 9 members to us. And if suppose somebody brings 15 number of members, we can give 45% of the revenue cost to him. So one way you can earn from our membership drive. we are growing community, so people will be bringing the like-minded people in a community, and we will have lot many people coming to us. So somebody referring the person, and asking his friends or his colleagues to come and join us. So that is a earning and reward program we also designed so that our membership grows. We have a family. We also earn from the membership, right? And also we can keep the cost down for ourselves. So that is the affiliate marketing program we are also offering. Ravi, anything else left out, sir?
No, please. Yeah.
I would like that please, share with you, share with us the idea what we are doing it and what is your views, how we can take it forward for the betterment of the community. We are going live now. We are going for paid content. We are going live for level 2 of operations. So we need all of you to, give us feedback.